Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about Mailchimp versus Brevo. So let's dive into the video. In this video, we are going to compare Mailchimp and Brevo, two very popular email marketing solutions for small businesses. We are going to go to the products, features, pricing, and then the resources. And likewise for Mailchimp, we're going to go into the solution and services, the resources, and then the pricing section. Atlanta-based Mailchimp is a pretty big name, serving more than 20 million customers worldwide. However, after spending some time comparing email marketing tools, I can't help but wonder if the attraction is more tied up in the marketing than the actual product. Since Mailchimp started charging users per contact as opposed to just subscribed contacts, I wanted to see how it fared next to an email marketing solution that didn't set a cap on contacts. So let's take a look at the main differences between Brevo and Mailchimp. In a nutshell, Mailchimp offers an easy-to-use email editor that comes with a free plan. However, Brevo has more to offer in the way of automations and list management. Price is also a big difference, with Brevo coming out as much affordable email marketing provider. In this Brevo versus Mailchimp comparison, I'm going to cover everything from templates to pricing, so you're sure to go away with a clear idea of which tool is best for your email marketing strategy. So let's dive in. First, I'm going to talk about ease of use and email editor. Talking about the winner, both Brevo and Mailchimp have fairly shallow learning curves. Because of great designs and a clear process, this round is a tie. Now let's talk about design and flexibility. The design of your emails is important, and many marketers prefer to use the ready-made templates that come with their email marketing provider. Talking about the winner in this round, it's a tricky one. Though Mailchimp offers a great number of more attractive email templates, you'll have to pay for them. Brevo includes all templates for free, so we are going to give them both a point for this round. Now let's talk about list management. One thing Mailchimp users have a real issue with is email list management, and I totally see why. Mailchimp's lists are mutually exclusive. In other words, you can't include contacts on different lists in the same campaign. There is also no way to create automations to move subscribers from one list to another, for example, as there is with GetResponse. As Mailchimp charge per subscriber, it means that if you have the same contact on different lists, you'll be paying for them multiple times. I've not seen this with any other providers, and it's very off-putting. Furthermore, Mailchimp has made it all quite complex with their various options and naming conventions. You have audiences, segments, tags, and groups. No wonder users are so confused. Brevo's list management features are on point, making it a greater Mailchimp alternative, a point to Brevo. Now let's talk about landing pages. Now we're going to dive into the landing pages. The main difference here is that Mailchimp's landing page builder is included for free, whereas Brevo requires you to be on the premium plan that costs $65 per month. And even then, you'll only be able to create 5 landing pages until you pay extra. Talking about the winner, each has its pros and cons, but considering that Mailchimp offers this feature for free, we are giving them the point in this round. Now let's talk about CRM. Though Mailchimp claims that you can use the software as a CRM, it doesn't really have enough features to warrant that claim. We'd like to see additional options like the ability to upload a file, create a task, or assign contacts to a specific sales agents. One thing Mailchimp does offer is a feature called social profiles. This allows you to create targeted campaigns based on social media. Bear in mind that activating this feature will incur additional charges. Brevo's free CRM makes it easy to manage contacts by assigning them to different users and allowing you to set tasks and deadlines within each customer profile. You can see additional information like which web pages they have visited. Unfortunately, importing contacts into this section isn't the simplest, as you'll need to upload a file containing the data. There's also no tag to assign a lifecycle stage to a particular contact like you would see in advanced CRMs such as HubSpot. Now let's talk about integrations and extras. Mailchimp, being as well known as it is, integrates with hundreds of marketing tools. You should be able to connect just about every tool that you need. Brevo doesn't have nearly as many direct integrations available through like Mailchimp. They are part of Zapier's library. So the winner over here is, with over 300 integrations, Mailchimp has to take this one. Talking about prices, let's dive into the pricing section of both. You've probably picked up on the fact that we are not big fans of Mailchimp's pricing. Although they offer a freemium and pay-as-you-go plan, the fact that they now charge users for unsubscribed contacts and those who haven't confirmed opt-in can make their email provider quite expensive, and therefore unattractive for many marketers and small business owners. Brevo, which doesn't set a cap on contacts charges per the number of emails sent, this makes it one of the most affordable all-in-one email marketing software on the market, and also a great option for those who have a high number of contacts but send just 1 or 2 emails in a month. For this reason, amongst others, we made it one of the top active campaign alternatives. So my final thought about Brevo versus Mailchimp are that Mailchimp is a lot more well known than Brevo, but as we have seen in this Brevo versus Mailchimp comparison, Brevo is a top choice if you're looking for a user-friendly marketing tool that doesn't skimp on the features. You will find their price is much more reasonable than Mailchimp and their list management to be much less of a headache. I think this comparison shows that when you actually break everything down, Mailchimp still has some areas to work on if it wants to be real champ. Aside from Brevo, there are plenty of other email marketing solutions out there that give Mailchimp a serious run for their money. So I hope this video helped you in any way, and if it did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please share it with your friends. Thank you very much for staying with me. See you in another video.